Hey guys, it's Ruta here today and I'm gonna show you how to create this super fresh and glowy summer look using Clarins products, so stay tuned. So to start my makeup, I usually use a primer and I chose this Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch by Clarins. It's a very interesting texture cream that smooths all the lines and it kind of gives you a little blur, which is perfect for the summer because we want our skin to look even. So I use it around my lips and also around my eyeline. You can definitely use it all over the face. I just feel like these are the areas that I need to smooth the most. For the next step, I usually choose the concealer. So this is the Instant Concealer and it says that it's smoothing, long-lasting, revives tired eyes, and this is exactly what I need. It's in color 2, and I just normally put it under my eyes to cover my dark under eyes and also just to cover a tiny spots that you might have. What I also love about this concealer that it's super light and it's not cake at all. And this is exactly what I need for the summer. It also covers really well. After concealer, of course, I'm going for foundation. And this time I chose the Natural Hydrating Foundation in color 108. It's called Sand. And I just really like how light it is as well as the concealer. It's a perfect summer foundation. They have many different shades in this one. I feel like I always go for sand because I have a tiny yellow undertone and it just matches my skin perfectly. After I do the whole base, I like to use Fix Makeup Spray to just hold the whole foundation in place before I do my eyebrows and lashes. And this one is a long-lasting, gives you a long-lasting hold, hydrates, refreshes, and soothes the skin. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and it has an amazing scent, which I absolutely love. After you wait a few seconds, I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm using this eyebrow pencil in color 1. It's called Dark Brown. And what I love about this pencil that it has a brush on the other side, and I feel like it's super important because to make your eyebrows look natural, you definitely need to brush them first. I just slightly, in tiny strokes, fill my brows. Once my brows are done, I'm gonna go to mascara, and I picked this mascara Super Volume. I love the brush. It separates my eyelashes super well, and the most important part is it doesn't leave dark stains under my eyes, which happens with a lot of mascaras. Okay, once I'm done with my eyes, I feel like my makeup is almost done, and usually in the winter time I use more bronzer, but this is a very fresh summer look that I would normally wear for vacation or just on a very hot day when I don't want too much coverage. So I'll finish my look with this Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector. I really love this product because they have so many different shades and they all look super natural. This one is in color 2 and it's more like a peachy tone. And to finish this look, I'm gonna spray the Fix Makeup once again, just to hold everything in place. So that's my final look, very glowy and summerish and super light. It was so easy to make. Any of you guys can recreate this at home. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.